Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Modic from your Ledger Nano X to your Revolut account. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets seamlessly, this 2025 update will have you covered. Modic, the native token of the Polygon network, is a popular choice for fast and low-cost transactions, and using a secure hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X is a smart move. But let's get right to it. I'll walk you through the steps so you can do this yourself in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and connected to your computer or via the Ledger Live app. You'll also need the Polygon app installed on your device. If not, go ahead and install it through Ledger Live. Once that's ready, open the Polygon app on your Ledger and ensure your Modic is visible in your wallet. Now, head over to your Revolut app and navigate to the crypto section. Select Modic as the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Revolut will provide you with a unique wallet address. Copy that down carefully, as accuracy is key to avoid any lost funds. Back on your Ledger Nano X, open the Ethereum app since Polygon transactions use the Ethereum framework. In Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, select your Polygon account, and choose the Send option. Enter the amount of Modic you want to withdraw, paste in the Revolut wallet address, and double-check everything. Remember, transactions are irreversible, so verify the details. Hit Confirm on your Ledger device when prompted. You'll need to physically approve it on the hardware for security. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it should hit the Polygon network quickly. Keep an eye on the status in Ledger Live or on a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. A few tips to keep in mind. Always use the official apps and websites to avoid scams, and consider the network fees. They might vary. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it, you've successfully withdrawn Modic to Revolut. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.